Hey everybody, my name is Matthew. Thanks for watching my channel, Giddy Up Adventures. Today, I'm going to talk about 5 things I can't fucking stand about the GoPro camera. I've got a big list of videos that I'm going to make, but the one that keeps coming to mind is 5 or 6 or 10 or 50 things I hate about GoPro cameras. This is the GoPro 9, and I just accidentally turned it on, or oh, I'm recording or something, because one of the things I hate about the GoPro camera is every time you touch it, it starts doing something else that you don't want it to be doing. So this one happens to be the GoPro 9. I've had 3 GoPro cameras. They all had very similar problems, and they are reliably unreliable. They drive me absolutely berserk, but here they are in order. I just was trying to record some simple stuff in my neighborhood, but usually it happens after you spend an hour driving somewhere. And you're just trying to get a little bit of footage, and you go to set up the shot, and then you don't even know if you got it because it doesn't pair with the app on your phone. And if you're wearing it like on a helmet mount, you can't see the thing because the helmet's blocking it, plus it's, you know, in your nostril practically, so it's too close to see. So it doesn't pair with the app that they provide. Number 2, it's so easy when you pick it up or put it down or anything to switch to the wrong mode. Like I just accidentally, my thumb just put it on photo mode. I don't want it to be on photo mode. Matter of fact, I wish I could get rid of the camera mode entirely, because I don't ever use that. So I should be able to just get rid of that or hide it or something. But I'm always turning it off and on when I don't want to. So I'll be doing a time lapse or still photos when I'm trying to do videos. So frustrating. The beeping that it makes these beeps all the time, sometimes when I'm not even in the same room, and I'm like, what the hell was that? And it just goes beep, 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 beep. I don't know what these beeps mean. It should go beep, boo when it turns off, or beep, beep when it turns on. They should just change the tone of one of the beeps, and it'd be so much easier to know what the hell you're getting. Number 4, just glitchy in general. And again, this is the 3rd GoPro camera I've had. When I did the Trans-America Trail, probably 2/3 of the footage I had just had static instead of images. I don't know why. They're glitchy little cameras, and it just drives me berserk that you're going up over a 13,000 foot peak, doing the most dramatic stuff you've ever filmed, and you're not filming it. You're filming snow, so it drives me crazy. Okay, next one. Actually, let me say this. So part of it too, I guess this is number 5. So instead of having a menu that you have to scroll through, and the icons in the menu don't make any sense. There's a rabbit, and that doesn't mean speed up or slow down. It means like, I don't know what it means, because it's not a good icon. But it's, the icons don't make sense. And what I would love, the camera that I'm filming on right now is the Nikon ZFC, and what I love about it is it has buttons, and I can see them and easily look down. I don't have to scroll through a menu. The battery can be dead, and I can the camera can be turned off, and I can be preparing for a shot by changing my shutter speed and aperture. In this thing, you have to scroll through a menu, and you're like, what the hell page am I looking at? What is all this stuff? And I know, these are they design these, 22-year-olds are designing these for 14-year-olds, but I have a little secret for you guys. 14-year-olds don't have any money. So a lot of your audience is going to be people like me that have a little silver in their hair. And we spend money on this crap, so you got to make it easy enough for us to see. I know I'm an old man bitching, but wait, you'll be an old man too, and you can bitch about it. Anyways, so yeah, just generally overly complicated. I have a 1966 Fender guitar, and that thing, you plug it in, and every single time it works. And it works because it's meant to be for people that get on stage and you can't have a backup plan. You are the backup plan. So you plug it in and it has to work because you're performing. And you know, my Nikon cameras that I have, like the one I'm filming with, they're reliable. They always work. You turn it on with, if you have good batteries, it always works. And I think GoPro could learn a few things from the old school cameras and just simplify these things so they're not so goddamn glitchy. Man, my complainer's a well-oiled machine, isn't it? I forgot about one more bonus thing that I hate about the GoPro. The battery life is what the cameras are small, so the battery life is not going to be great. But every time you need to change a battery, it's like you can figure out a Rubik's Cube. You're supposed to like pry this thing where it almost breaks, and you can't get it open. The hell, GoPro? Just put a latch on it. I mean, seriously, it shouldn't take 15 minutes to change a battery because you can't open the camera. I'm really trying. I've done this hundreds of times, and it's just annoying every single time. Ah, God, finally. So GoPro, fix that.